quick little, shit, I guess a preview. It's probably gonna look like with them wheels on there. She gonna be nice though, bro. I'm excited.
Lambo 2 and I'm speeding. Sunday she calling me baby. You don't even know the meaning. Good gas got him fatty. Will it be me got him dreaming. All black got me trending. Red cool, red fending. Break the law, don't bend it. Say your money, don't spend it. Do the shit, don't think about it. Boy, your diamonds looking hella cloudy.
Alright. It's probably gonna be like a 2-3 part video. But today I'm actually getting the pipes put on today, which is gonna be a whole nother video. But today I'm picking up the wheels from my pop-out crib. Oh shit. There's a fat ass cat in this room. These are the wheels I've been talking about. The 14-inch chrome rallies, white leather tires. Great condition. The wheels have been sitting for like, the guy said 15 years, and I'm thinking maybe he meant 15 months, because these tires look damn near brand new, bro. I don't know. Good trade on it. Definitely gonna pass inspection with them on there. So yeah, for sale. Bought it from like 400 bucks. Still, Facebook Market, they be going crazy. So yeah, I'm about to take these down to where the car is at, get these put on, get the pipes put on, and hopefully we'll have a great looking running car by the weekend, maybe with a tag on it. Got them loaded, you know what time it is. I need me a truck, bro, no cap. Getting these things knocked out. Caught hell taking them hubcaps off. I forgot you gotta have the key to unscrew the hubcap. The bolts right there. Take that off. Unscrew the now where the key go? I lost the goddamn key. Fuck. But yeah, the key. Take the key to unlock those, and then you can take the hubcaps off and make sure they hell of a lot easier. Shout out to YouTube University. Cause boy, was we lost. Yeah, just got the wheels put on, man.
What's going on, young lady? What's up? Hi.
Yeah. Yes, sir. Went too hard. Pretty fun. But yeah, see my paint got a little, it ain't bad, but definitely use probably some clear coat or something, or a nice wax or something probably, but yeah. She nice though. She ready. But yeah, she about to call the tow truck here. You about to come take it to the exhaust shop. I had to show y'all the before and after of the wheels. So yeah, we getting there. We getting somewhere. She look like something, man. Yeah, man. I said up. I said fuck the tow truck. We here decided to drive this old thing to the shop, man. Tow truck was taking too long. I had to get it there in a timely fashion. Father-in-law passed, follow me, so we're good to go. Got it dropped off at the shop. Probably gonna think they'll swap their cross member out before they do the duels, so let me hop online tonight and see what's the wet. But yeah, it's looking good though. She ready to go. See what it look like before I drop down, just in case some shit happen. Alright.